Let's remember the colors: red, blue, yellow, green, black, brown, purple, pink, gray, white, orange. It is a green frog. Let's learn the new animals. Bee. This is a bee. It's black and yellow. Ladybird. This is a ladybird. It's black and red. Bear. This is a bear. It's big and brown. Seagull. This is a seagull. It's small and gray. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It's small and gray. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. It's fast and gray. Whale. This is a whale. It's big and blue. Shark. This is a shark. It's strong and gray. Sea. I'm under the sea. Look, there is a shark. Cave. It's a cave. There is a bear in the cave. River. This is a river. There are 2 frogs on the river. Forest. It's a forest. There are 3 ladybirds in the forest. Mountain. It's a mountain. There is snow on the mountain. Desert. It's a desert. There is a kangaroo in the desert. Let's repeat. Bee. Ladybird. Pigeon. Bear. Seagull. Whale. Dolphin. Shark. Sea. Cave. River. Forest. Mountain. Desert.